Hi, and thanks for being a Barchart subscriber. In this short tutorial, I'm going to talk about cash transactions and how to add other assets to your portfolio like real estate or artwork. In an earlier lesson, you learned that when you created your portfolio, you said whether or not the portfolio will track a cash balance. If you didn't identify a starting cash balance when you created your portfolio, here's how to do so. This process is also what you will need to do when you want to add or withdraw cash. Click the Add Transaction button and then open the Cash tab. Choose the proper currency, choose deposit or withdrawal, and enter the dollar amount. You'll also need to record the date. You can see that the market value and cash balance in my portfolio has been adjusted. The cash is also reflected toward the bottom of the portfolio. And now when I record a purchase, the cost to make the purchase of stock is removed from my cash balance, and the summary is updated to reflect this. Furthermore, if I end up closing my position out, cash is added back into my account. Transaction detail is always available here using that icon that you see to the left of the symbol. This provides a complete audit trail. Now let's talk about adding other assets to your portfolio. Let's say I bought some artwork or a collectible and I want to track its value. Click Add Transaction and open the Other tab. You'll identify the currency in which the asset is valued and then enter description. Your starting position will always be a buy. I'll enter the price, date, quantity, and any fees associated with the transaction. Other assets have their own grouping towards the bottom of the portfolio. Their value is added to your overall portfolio total found at the top of the page. Other assets have a different set of actions found in the More menu over to the right. You can add to the position, close it out, or enter a new valuation or report income. In my example, I created a holding for a piece of artwork I own. I recently had it appraised and I want to record its new valuation. This not only adjusts the asset, but also my portfolio's overall market value along with the unrealized gain or loss. And if I navigate back to my portfolio summary page, I see cash and other assets are now shown in the overall valuation. So that covers it. Look for my next tutorial where I will show you how you can modify or delete transactions and how you can search for specific transaction activity in your portfolio. Thanks for watching.